Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and all these things, guys. Just amazing. Anyway, I've been doing salad and juice now on my Juice Bar channel. Today recipe, I want to make a lovely cucumber salad. It's going to be with a lot of different kind of stuff inside of it. It's going to be celery and also red onion bits and pieces, but it's going to be fantastic. Simple salad, easy to make at home. You know what I mean? If you have a little bit of leftover stuff, or if you want to make yourself a lovely salad for dinner, this come in really handy for you. And all of these ingredients very cheap, and you know what I mean, low cost price. So stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and to the Facebook, Google Plus me, and also tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. So stay tuned, guys. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Nice and lovely. So basically, I got some spring onion right here. I may have to use my bigger knife this time. So I'm gonna use this knife to cut my stuff down, alright? It's gonna be a lovely recipe. So that's the spring onion. Now this is some cucumber. Half a red onion. Celery. I'm gonna put some celery inside of it. Tomato. Pinch of olive oil. And also a bit of pepper. That's exactly what I'm talking about right here. So anyone can make this at home. Look at that. Amazing. Alright. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo salad bar. Very easy recipe, guys. So please stay tuned and watch more recipe. Yeah, this one is simple salad. Look at this. Nice and lovely. Simple and easy to make. Alright. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel. We've got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas. We're coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please stay tuned and tell a friend and a friend. Tell a friend. This is it right there. Look at that. Amazing. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye.